Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to turn on the audio to text using Filmora 15. So we have loaded a video and you will see, like when I play, that there is a voice here. Okay, so it goes on. So our target is to ensure that we extract the text on the video. Okay, not sure why this happened. Okay. So now we have to right click here and then click speech to text. And now it will require some credits. You have to use this credits. Once we click it here, it will generate the text. So you can select auto detect the language, but if you already know what language is selected, and choose the click to, and then click it here, and it will create it will use the audio on here and create the text and place it here. So we have clicked it and the AI model is being updated. Please wait. It detected voice. It's going on in creating the text. Okay, let's play it now. See? You can see that the text is here already. It worked. And if you want to delete it, you can just select it and delete it from here. So this is how you turn on the text to speech, speech to text here. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and like too. Thanks a lot.